We chose for AIKO because of its excellent quality, because of its high efficiency and the back contact technology.
We are AIKO solar distributor. We choose AIKO because we are also installers. We like to work with the best.
I remember 2 years ago in Intersolar, there was a big commercial outside and the entrance. I was checking, wow, it's a nice look models.
We tested it at our office, so I have the experience that the yield is about 10% higher than the standard TOPCon module. So it was very impressive to see 10% higher yield.
We have a higher production in the summertime. We get more power on the same square meter, and as well we get more kVA per kV peak.
AIKO models deliver consistent performance even on low light conditions.
I'm working in solar industry about 17 years already. So naturally I heard AIKO already since a long time ago. It's the highest efficiency, #1 in the world.
The comparable higher efficiency, we have more capacity on the ground. We were able to increase the total size of the project.
3 are the key words that I can describe our cooperation with AIKO: R&D, safety and quality.
I went to China 5 months ago and I saw the factory. I could see how the factory works, how the product is produced.
Where we were quite impressed by the new technology, backcell technology.
Our customer love the slicks and the all-black look.
And I decided if I need to choose on my rooftop, for sure I will choose the AIKO.
It's about the design and about technology, and with the BC technology we can have these aesthetic modules.
We got a lot of positive feedback, and we actually build on that furthermore, and we attracted more and more customers.
Your products are a benchmark in the market.
I see it's the best in the market now.
I have to say quite significantly, because mainly from the residential market, we are now selling over 50% of our modules from AIKO.
It also brings more, let's say, attractive for our own products. Therefore, our business can grow fast.
AIKO is our #1 selling in the residential sector.
And the back contact technology will be more and more usable, not only in the residential, but for example in Czech Republic, also in the CNI.
It increases our market share and it increases our sales. AIKO has a good product and we can share it with our clients.
We are an investor. Even if the price was a bit higher, we could have a really higher return on the investment.
I'm in PV since 30 years. Back contact technology will be the next big thing after TOPCon. I hear from installers in Germany, they love AIKO modules. They would like to have more.
I think they are going to stay and be a leader for the module market in the next couple of years.
I'm sure AIKO will keep the leading position in the market.